Give your machine tool an AI brain. CMS enables automatic thermal error compensation under temperature fluctuations, improving machining stability, all with just one CMS system. The system continuously collects X, Y, and Z-axis temperature data during machining. Using AI, it models and calibrates the relationship between temperature changes, structural response, and accuracy deviations. When temperature variations occur, the system calculates thermal error compensation values and adjusts the machine control parameters in real time. Invisible thermal errors are transformed into computable and controllable compensation variables, ensuring stable dimensional accuracy throughout the machining process. In the past, precision relied on skilled workers' experience, long warm-up times, and trial cuts. Now, AI automatically senses, calculates, and corrects precision, upgrading from experience-based temperature control to system-based stability control. Deployed and tuned in just 2 weeks, reducing 2–3 hours of unnecessary warm-up time on average. Choose SIGER Data CMS. Stable accuracy under temperature changes, lower costs, higher efficiency, worry-free production.